Catch up, decoded. What does it really mean? Hello dear learners. Today, we're diving into a commonly used English phrase, catch up. By the end of this video, you'll have a solid understanding of what it means and how to use it in different contexts. Let's get started. Catch up originally comes from the idea of chasing someone and reaching the same point as them. Imagine two people running in a race. If one person falls behind and then runs faster to reach the other, they are trying to catch up. When English speakers use catch up in daily life, it often has a more figurative meaning. 1. Gathering information. If you missed a meeting, you might say, I need to catch up on what I missed. It means you need to learn what happened during the meeting. 2. Reconnecting. If two friends haven't seen each other for a long time, one might say, let's catch up over coffee. Here, catch up means sharing updates about their lives since they last met. 3. Completing work. If someone is behind on their tasks, they might say, I need to catch up on my assignments. This means they have work that they need to complete to be at the same point as everyone else. While catch up is versatile, it's essential to use it correctly. 1. Not catching up with the news. While you can catch up on the news, saying catching up with the news suggests the news is a person you're meeting. 2. Catch up to versus catch up with, catch up to implies a physical or metaphorical pursuit, like in a race. Catch up with often suggests a social context, like meeting a friend. And that's a wrap on catch up. Remember, like with any phrase, practice makes perfect. So, try using catch up in your conversations and writings. We hope this video has been enlightening and helps you catch up with English fluency. Happy learning!